Today, we are moving Claude's reasoning capabilities out of the web browser and integrating them directly into your local terminal. This setup allows the AI to read, write, and edit your project files based on plain English instructions you type into the command line. Before we install the software, verify your system meets the requirements. You need to be running Mac 10.15 or higher, Linux Ubuntu 20.04 or later, or Windows 10 and up. You also need an active Anthropic account on a paid tier, such as Claude Pro, Max, Teams, or Enterprise. Local GPUs are not required. All of the heavy AI processing occurs on Anthropic's cloud servers. With these prerequisites met, you have the infrastructure necessary to run enterprise-grade AI coding tools directly inside your personal workspace. To begin the installation, open a blank terminal window. We will use a single command to download and set up the software. This command initiates the automated installation script. If you're on Mac, Linux, or WSL, paste this command into your terminal and hit Enter. For Windows users working in PowerShell, use the equivalent IRM command shown here to achieve the same result. If you choose to install via npm, do not use the sudo prefix. Running this command with root privileges often results in persistent permission errors within your local environment. After the script completes, type Claude --version. Seeing a version number confirms the software is now present on your system. Next, run Claude Doctor. This utility performs a health check on your system paths and environment variables to ensure the installation is functional. Passing these checks officially confirms that your environment is correctly configured and the software is fully ready to run. The final step is verifying your identity with Anthropic. To link your local installation to your account, type Claude auth login. This command prompts your default web browser to open the Anthropic identity portal. Simply sign in to complete the handshake. If you're on a remote server without a browser, authenticate by exporting your Anthropic API key as an environment variable instead. This one-time authentication establishes the secure, encrypted connection required to seamlessly use Anthropic's powerful cloud-based AI models directly within your local terminal workspace. Before launching the AI, use the cd command to navigate into the specific project folder you want to work on. Do not launch Claude from your home or root directory. Starting the assistant inside a specific folder ensures it only analyzes the files relevant to your current task. Once you are in the correct folder, type Claude. The assistant initializes and maps the project structure so it can navigate your files. You can now type requests directly into the terminal. For example, you can ask it to locate and fix the bug in login.py. The AI will read the file, identify the logic error, and apply the necessary code changes directly to the script. This native terminal workflow removes the need to manually copy code between a browser and your editor, allowing you to iterate on your project immediately. Because Claude Code edits your source files directly, you should always work in a new Git branch. This allows you to review all changes before they are committed to your main codebase. Between different tasks, use the /clear command. This wipes the current conversation and resets the assistant's working memory. Using /clear prevents the AI from getting confused by previous, unrelated tasks and helps conserve your shared Anthropic processing quota. To provide the AI with permanent context, you can create a file named claude.md in your project's root folder. This file stores persistent instructions, such as specific naming conventions or architectural rules that the AI will follow in every session without being reminded. If you prefer a graphical interface, these same capabilities are available through VS Code extensions, JetBrains plugins, or the standalone desktop application. By finishing this setup, you can now generate, edit, and refactor code directly inside your project files, rather than manually moving snippets between a browser and your IDE.